Hi everyone, I'm so blessed. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to briefly touch on a topic that we don't talk about that much here on social media, and that's the incredible impact that plants have on our lives. Not that plants are just beneficial for the purpose of producing food, but what are some of the other impacts that plants actually have on our lives? Let's talk about that. So for starters, we all know that plants are more than just decoration. Plants contribute to our well-being, and we don't often acknowledge that. Studies have shown us that plants not only reduce stress, they boost our mood, and they also contribute to increased concentration. You may have heard about plants like lavender and jasmine and how they do somehow contribute to having more of a calming effect on us. You may have also heard about plants like aloe vera and how they contribute to purifying air. But just having plants around us does create more of a serene environment where you feel more grounded and more connected to nature. But even in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we should also acknowledge how plants do have a positive impact on our planet, which is the bigger picture, right? You've probably learned in your science classes, whether that was a long time ago or not so long ago, that plants do absorb carbon dioxide from the environment and produces oxygen, which is necessary for us. Also plays a crucial role in combating things like climate change. And I know a lot of you have noticed where the environment or the climate, even in your local area, has changed drastically. Well, by planting more trees and the way that we attentively manage our gardens can also play a part in contributing to a more healthier environment. Plants alone improve our air quality, and they also provide a habitat for wildlife. See, the impact or the significance of plants is profound. So what's our part in that? Well, our part is to help nurture the plants that are around us, or the plants that we tend to grow in the future. So why would you be interested in this? Well, beyond the health reasons and the environmental reasons that we just briefly mentioned, plants also add beauty, and they definitely add flavor to our life. You've definitely seen how houseplants can transform a space by making it more vibrant and more inviting. Herbs like mint, basil, and thyme definitely add flavor in our kitchen. Why am I bringing this up? Because you know why. I'm always here to encourage you to grow something. So growing your own food, even in small containers, is rewarding and it's sustainable. Not to mention, nothing tastes better than homegrown produce. For me personally, plants have just become a part of my everyday, daily routine in life. With planting or gardening or growing, however you refer to it, there comes some responsibility, but there's also some joy that comes along with watching your plants grow and produce, of course. So whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or a house plant, the connection that we build with our plants, you've got to admit that that's special. So tell me, what are your thoughts? What are your real thoughts about plants? Can we have a conversation about that? Instead of us just posting our harvest, posting our plants that we're growing, giving management and maintenance tips on growing plants, can we talk about how we truly feel when we're out in the garden? That's the discussion, that's the conversation that I see missing here on social media. So many people, I think, could be helped by starting a garden, or at least having access to working in a garden, or just by growing plants. Can we share that information? If you don't mind sharing, please leave your comments in the comments section. Give us your thoughts on how plants, gardening, growing has impacted your life. I want to thank you in advance for taking the time to click on this video to hear me if you've made it this far. If you don't have a garden, if you don't have a house plants, or you're not growing flowers and herbs and such, I hope that this brief conversation, this short video, in some way and somehow inspire you to start growing something, start nurturing a plant, a flower, whether it be vegetables or herbs, or even to plant a tree. If not, maybe it will somehow inspire you to at least appreciate the benefits that plants do offer. If you like this kind of content, I will invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you do, I will see you in the next video. Have a good day, guys.